Do you never want to be dependent on such cheap travelers again? Then you must have Camco TastePURE RV water filter. Filter your own water where you want it and when you want it. Filter hose washer, pre-filtration layer for debris, premium activated carbon filter, superior KDF formulation protecting against bacteria, a post-filtration layer, and spun polypropylene for 20 micron particle removal. Boost your water's purity with granular activated carbon and kinetic degradation fluxion, KDF. More than just odor and taste, our water filters are bacteriostatic and remove sediment, ensuring cleaner water for consumption. An indispensable tool for camping and a must-have among boat accessories. Ensure clean water wherever you go, making it a top choice for your camping accessories and a vital component in your list of travel must-haves.